Now if your caravan or trailer needs a service, with over 27 years of experience in trailers and caravans of all sizes, from box trailers and boat trailers to large caravans and even semi-trailers, you can rest assured that the trailer and caravan of yours are in great hands, because Bold, that's Bold Trailer and Caravan Repair Centre, they're in the Sutherland Shire. They get customers coming to them from Nowra, Canberra, the Northern Beaches, the Blue Mountains, because they've got a passion for continuing education and training. Their team are highly specialised and skilled, providing you with the most up-to-date and current knowledge in the trailer and caravan repair industry. So their team includes licensed motor mechanics and auto electricians and automotive bodybuilders and welders and fabricators and even plumbers. They've got plumbers and electricians all on site, all on staff. So where do you go to? Bold, TCRC, boldtcrc.com.au.